LLC Don't Show Credit Tips, LLC family, what's happening, man? Today I'm going to be giving you guys the blueprint on how to remove inquiries in 24 hours on your Experian profile. So the first step is, guys, I want you to log into your Experian account, or if you're doing it for a client, I want you to log into their Experian account. Reason being, we want to check how many inquiries are reporting on the credit profile. You want to do an in-depth look of all the inquiries that's on the credit profile. Reason being, you do not want to dispute any open account. So write this down, put this in your notes in your phone, or write this down, right? You only want to remove inquiries that's not attached to an open account. No open accounts. If it's attached to an open account, do not remove that inquiry. Reason being, it's a high chance that you could put that account in closure with it being open. Next, you want to write down any inquiries that are not attached to an open account. Then what I want you to do is write down the institution and write down the inquiry date. So this way, when you get on the phone with customer service with the Experian play that I'm giving you guys, you can have all your correct information of the disputes that you are authorizing. Step 3, you now want to call Experian customer support. And what you want to do, if you get an automated system, you want to keep trying the automated system to direct you to a customer representative. Once you get customer service on the phone, what you would tell them is you notice some fraudulent inquiries reporting on your credit profile, and then what they would do is transfer you over to the fraud department. Fraud department will verify a few things, common knowledge that you should know about yourself. Once answered correctly, they will ask you what inquiries do you want removed. You tell them the exact inquiry that's reporting on your credit profile and the exact date, and then they're going to start the removal process. They probably will ask, have you filed a police report? What you can say is, I haven't, but I plan to. Then they are going to say you are going to receive an email about this, and your inquiries will be removed within 24 to 72 hours. It's really 24 hours. That's all I ever seen. You know what I'm saying? But that just gives them a buffer. They tell you 24 to 72 hours. You know what I'm saying? So that's the Experian hack, guys. LLC Don't Show Credit Tips. Subscribe to raise your credit score. I want you guys to join my Instagram broadcast channel that's going to be in the description if you are on Instagram, as well my Facebook group, my Fast Track Business Facebook group geared toward business credit hacks and business funding will be in the chat below. So we gone.